So hello students, so in this video we are going to talk about on MEG-05 block number 1 and unit number 4, Indian aesthetics. So let's start the unit number 4, Indian aesthetics. Indian aesthetics is a rich and ancient traditional that explores the theory of beauty, art and the emotional experience evoked by literature and other forms of art. Unlike Western theories that often focus on structure or the sublime, Indian aesthetics emphasize emotional resonance and the spiritual impact of art. The roots of Indian aesthetics can be traced back to foundational texts like the Natyashastra by Bharata, written around 200 BCE to 200 CE. Now let's discuss the core concept of rasa, the essence of aesthetics experience. At the heart of Indian aesthetics is the theory of rasa, which translates to essence or flavor. Bharata explains in the Natyashastra that rasa is the emotional essence that art evokes in the audience. When we watch a play, read a poem, or listen to music, we experience certain feelings or emotions. The goal of an artist is to evoke these emotions effectively, creating a transformative experience. Now let's discuss how rasa is created. Bharata identifies three components that works together to create rasa. Number 1. Vibha, determinants. These are the causes or situations that lead to an emotions. For example, in a love story, the meeting of two lovers serves as a vibha. Number 2. Anubhava, consequents. These are the visible or physical reactions to emotions. For instance, a smile, blush or sign are anubhavas of love. Number 3. Vyabhachari bhavas, transient emotions. These are fleeting emotions or states that supports to the main feeling. For example, anxiety, hope or jealousy can accompany love in a story. When these elements combine, the audience experiences rasa, a distilled emotional essence that transcends ordinary feelings. Now let's discuss the 9 rasas, the emotional flavors of art. Bharata identifies 9 rasas, each representing a specific emotions or mood. These rasas form the foundation of Indian art, literature and performance. Number 1. Singara, love and beauty. Associated with romance, affection and attraction. For example, romantic scenes in Kalidas Sakuntala. Number 2. Hasya, laughter. Represents joy, humor and amusement. For example, comedic interludes in Sanskrit plays or Bollywood films. Number 3. Karuna, compassion or pity. Evokes feelings of sadness and empathy. For example, the tragic moments in Mahabharata such as Karna's fate. Number 4. Rudra, anger. Represents fury, rage and aggression. For example, the fierce moments of war in Ramayana or Mahabharata. Number 5. Veera, courage. Associated with heroism, valor and bravery. For example, epic stories of Arjuna in battle. Number 6. Bhayanak, fear. Represents terror, anxiety and dread. For example, suspenseful atmosphere in ghost stories or horror films. Number 7. Vivutsa, disgust. Evokes aversion or repulsion. Example, graphic depiction of cruelty or moral corruption in stories. Number 8. Adbhuta, wonder. Represents awe, surprise and curiosity. For example, magical or mystical elements in Indian folklore. Number 9. Shanta, peace. Associated with calmness, tranquility and spiritual bliss. For example, meditative moments in the Upanishad or Buddha's teaching. Let's discuss the comparison with Western aesthetics. Now we are going to cover Indian aesthetics versus Western aesthetics. While Indian aesthetics focuses on the emotional and spiritual experience of art, Western aesthetics often emphasizes structure, logic, and moral instructions. For example, Aristotle's concept of catharsis is somewhat similar to rasas but focuses on emotional cleansing through a tragedy. Indian aesthetics goes beyond catharsis by exploring a wider range of emotions, rasas, and their spiritual dimensions. Now let's discuss the role of the artist and audience. In Indian aesthetics, the relationship between the artist and the audience is crucial. The artist acts as a guide, creating a work of art that evokes the desired rasas. The audience, in turn, must approach the work with sensitivity and openness to fully experience its emotional and spiritual impact. Now let's discuss art as a spiritual journey. Indian aesthetics views art not just as entertainment but as a path to self-discovery and enlightenment. By experiencing rasas, the audience connects with deeper truths about life and the universe. Now let's discuss some application of Indian aesthetics in the modern art. Indian aesthetics is not just a theory of classical literature, it continues to influence modern art forms like Bollywood films. The 9 rasas are often central to storytelling. blending love, laughter, tragedy, and heroism. Dance and music. Classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam or Kathak use gestures to evoke rasas. Visual arts, Indian paintings and sculptures aim to evoke feelings of awe, devotion, or peace. Now let's discuss some key takeaways. Number 1. Rasa's Theory. Art is about evoking emotions that resonate deeply with the audience. The 9 rasas capture the full range of human emotion. Number 2. Indian aesthetics versus Western aesthetics. Indian aesthetics focuses on emotional resonance and spiritual experience, while Western aesthetics emphasizes structure and morality. Number 3. Timeless relevance. The principles of Indian aesthetics continue to influence literature, cinema, music, and performance arts worldwide. Now let's discuss the conclusion here. Indian aesthetics, with its focus on rasas and emotional experience, offers a profound understanding of art and literature. It teaches us that the true power of arts lies not just in its form of message, but in its ability to move us, transform us, and connect us to universal truths. Whether it's an ancient Sanskrit play or a modern film, the essence of art remains the same: to evoke emotions and create a meaningful experience. So thanks for being here. Let me know in the comments on which topic you want a video, and I'll try to create the video on time. Thank you so much. Bye bye and Jai Hind.